Imagine turning a small workshop into a nationally recognized brand without millions in funding. That's exactly what my imaginary brand EcoCraft did. In this video, I will share the inspiring journey of EcoCraft Solutions, an MSME that built an iconic brand and reveal the lessons you can apply to create a brand that truly resonates with your audience. Hi, I am Abani Bera, an MSME Growth Strategist and Sales Coach, and this is the AI-powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real-world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight. Imagine this. EcoCraft Solutions, our imaginary hypothetical company, is a mid-sized MSME based in India that specializes in eco-friendly packaging solutions for small and medium businesses. Founded by Aditi Sharma, our fictional and imaginary founder is an entrepreneur passionate about sustainability. The company had humble beginnings operating out of a small workshop with just 5 employees. Today, EcoCraft Solutions is a household name in the B2B space, synonymous with quality and sustainability. Their products are used by hundreds of businesses across industries, from food delivery to e-commerce. Let's break down how they achieve this transformation. First is a clear and compelling vision. At the heart of EcoCraft Solutions' success is its vision to make eco-friendly packaging accessible and affordable for every business, reducing plastic waste one package at a time. Aditi ensured that this vision wasn't just a tagline, it became the driving force behind every decision the company made. The clarity and authenticity of their mission resonated with environmentally conscious business, helping them carve out a unique space in the market. Now, lesson for entrepreneurs. Your vision is your brand's foundation. Make it clear, compelling, and customer focused. I call it 3C: clear, compelling, and customer focused. A strong vision doesn't just inspire your team, it also attracts customers who align with your values. Number 2, building a strong brand identity. EcoCraft Solutions created a brand identity that was instantly recognizable and memorable. Their logo, a green leaf folded into the shape of a box, symbolized sustainability and practicality. Their packaging used earthy tones and minimalistic designs, reinforcing their eco-friendly ethos. Key traits are consistency, reliability, and authenticity. Consistency means the brand maintained uniform messaging across all platforms, social media, website, and product packaging. Relatability. They highlighted the real-world impact of their products, such as 10,000 kg of plastic saved in 2023 alone. Authenticity. Every product was backed by certifications to prove its sustainability claims. Lesson for entrepreneurs are here: your brand identity should reflect your mission and values. Consistency and authenticity build trust and credibility. Number 3, understanding the target audience. From the outset, Aditi identified EcoCraft's ideal customers: small and mid-sized businesses in the food delivery, retail, and e-commerce sectors, companies actively seeking alternatives to plastic packaging, businesses willing to pay premium for eco-friendly solutions. EcoCraft tailored its products and marketing to address the audience's specific needs such as affordability, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Here is an example of a campaign. EcoCraft launched a campaign called Green It Forward, encouraging businesses to switch to eco-friendly packaging. They offered discounts on first orders and featured participating businesses on their website, creating a win-win for both parties. Lesson for entrepreneurs. Deeply understand your target audience's pain points, desires, and buying behavior. Tailor your offerings and messaging to speak directly to them. Number 4 is delivering superior customer experience. EcoCraft's focus on customer satisfaction set them apart. They created a seamless experience from inquiry to delivery, ensuring that every touchpoint added value. Now, what are the strategies that opted? Personalized support. EcoCraft assigned account managers to larger clients, providing customized solutions. Transparent communication. Customers are regularly updated on order statuses and delivery timelines. Post-sales engagement. They showed feedback after every order, using it to refine their products and services. Now, what's the outcome? This commitment to customer service earned them repeat business and glowing referrals, solidifying their position as a trusted brand. Lesson for entrepreneurs here are: exceptional customer experience is a cornerstone of iconic brands. Go beyond selling, build lasting relationships. Number 5, leveraging digital transformation. EcoCraft embraced technology to scale operations and improve efficiency. They invested in e-commerce integration, a user-friendly website with a build your packaging tool that allowed businesses to customize orders online. Number 2, social media marketing, engaging content on platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn, showcasing their impact through visuals and stories. Number 3, data analytics, tools to track customer behavior, optimize inventory, and predict demand. Here is an example of digital impact. Their build your packaging tool reduced the inquiry to order time by 30%, significantly improving conversions and customer satisfaction. Here is a lesson for entrepreneurs. Leverage digital tools to streamline processes, improve customer experience, and expand your reach. Number 6, embracing thought leadership. EcoCraft positioned itself as a leader in sustainability. Aditi became a sought-after speaker at industry events, sharing insights on the future of eco-friendly packaging. The company also hosted webinars and published blogs on sustainability trends, reinforcing their expertise. Now, what's the outcome? By sharing knowledge and engaging with the community, EcoCraft built authority and trust, attracting more customers and partners. Here is a lesson for entrepreneurs. Thought leadership elevates your brand. Share your expertise through blogs, webinars, or speaking engagements to position yourself as an industry leader. Number 7, strategic partnerships. EcoCraft forged partnerships to expand its capabilities and reach. For example, they collaborated with a recycling company to offer closed-loop packaging solutions, partnered with local logistics providers to ensure fast and reliable delivery. Now, what's the outcome they got? These partnerships enabled them to scale quickly while maintaining quality, giving them a competitive edge. Here is a lesson for entrepreneurs. Identify partners whose strengths complement yours. Collaborations can unlock new opportunities and accelerate growth. Now the results. EcoCraft becomes an iconic brand. Fast forward to today. EcoCraft Solutions is a market leader in eco-friendly packaging. Their journey from a small workshop to a nationally recognized brand demonstrates the power of a clear vision, consistent branding, exceptional customer experience, strategic use of technology, and partnerships. They have not only built a successful business but also inspired a movement towards sustainability and packaging. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful episodes every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven growth webinar. The link is right in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.